Everybody, it's Vegan Lemon Meringue. Welcome to another Monday Munchies episode. It's been a long time, but I am back rolling with a new video, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Remember to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll never miss one of my videos, and please like the video. That would help me out so much. Okay, so what do you think we're making with chickpeas, some lemons, and a pie crust? Ouch! So, let's jug, okay? Okay. Let's try this, okay? Okay, everybody, like I said, we have our chickpeas and our lemons and our pie shell, but I almost burnt myself, and yeah, I'm okay. But I'm okay, everybody, so I don't have to go to like Cedars-Sinai in Los Angeles to worry about that. But, yeah, I hope you guys are all having a great day. Let's roll the intro, and the sooner I roll the intro, the sooner I can sleep on my king-size bed. Okay, folks, so we have I already got, two halves of a lemon, and we're gonna do this one. And then, yeah, this is gonna make our lemon meringue pie. So, and this lemon meringue pie is going to be in 3 parts. So, the pie, the lemon, and our aquafaba, meringue. So, yeah, it's gonna be really tasty, so keep watching. Okay, guys, so we are going to put our lemon juice in the strainer, and yes, then we will go to the stove after to make the custard. So we can put all of this in here. There we go. Not getting any, yeah. Perfect. And yes, here we have Himalayan pink salt, turmeric, cornstarch, and coconut oil. And that is it, everybody. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and do not go anywhere. We are going to be putting 3 of 1.5 cups almond milk in. Okay, 2. Okay, 3. Perfect. Okay, everybody, we already put our lemon juice in our almond milk. There we go. And we want to stir it quickly. Yo, guys! Sorry about that. We are going to put all our stuff in here. Plus the sugar. I forgot to add that. Remember, stir the custard until thick and do not burn it. And look how thick this is getting, folks. Update. I know you've probably had enough of me, but I really don't care. My name is Vegan Lemon. Welcome back. Welcome to the update. We currently have cream of tartar, cane sugar, and vanilla extract. We have our aquafaba, and it's so cool. I'll tell you 2 things. Number 1, it stinks. Like, it stinks like the biggest, like, oh! And it's so cool that aquafaba, to make lemon meringue pie, is so easy. And it doesn't hurt any animals. It's just basically chickpeas, and that basically makes the meringue. So, and it's way easier than using eggs, what hurts the animals. And you know what I mean if I'm not making sense. So you've watched my video for probably 5 years, so you get the concept. Yeah, we'll see you soon, okay? So we want to achieve step peaks. So that it makes it nice and cool. We're going to hard. Vanilla extract. Cane sugar. Cream of tartar. Going to hard. I don't look like a girl. Don't get any thoughts. Did you take that? And it doesn't smell like that. That was a fart noise, by the way. Okay, guys, let's see if it has peace. Not right there, but keep watching so you don't miss out on any new updates. Okay, everybody, it's getting there. It's definitely getting there, so keep watching. In 5, 4, 3, 2. That's what you call peaks, ladies and gentlemen. Or ladies and gentle. How about ladies and gentle Kansas City people? Bye. Okay. Say hello to my little That gives me flashbacks on one of my other videos when I mess the blender malfunction. I'll show you a video of that right now on the screen. Let's wait for 10 seconds. Anyway, yes, we have our pie. I'm sorry you have to see that malfunction, but yes, we have our pie, we have our amazing whipped meringues, and we have our custard. So we're gonna put this on right now. That looks delicious, and you're not hurting any animals too. Oh my word. Yummy. Now we're gonna put our nice peas on here. Okay, and then this is gonna go in the oven. But keep watching. Oh my god. This looks like slime. Okay. And it does not stink anymore, like you know what, and that you know what. Hello and welcome. Remember to put this in for free, 50 oven degrees for about 20 minutes.
So we'll be back soon.
And come on, look how delicious that looks, folks. Okay, and before I compose these, lemons I'm going to grate the rind and put in my freezer. So that's gonna be good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss out. Here are the bloopers and the credits, ending credits of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like and comment and have a great day. Be vegan and can you please help me? Gosh, my pants! My new pants! Oh God. Sorry folks. Okay, this is a skill testing. Oh God. This is a skill testing question for you guys. Okay. I have chickpeas left over in here and oh. Okay. Stinky, but only a vegan knows what I would make with one of these chickpeas. Hummus.
Just gave the answer, you goof.
Oh my God, Mom, I love this. I'm so proud of this. Do that. And what a great way to make Monday Munchies on the Saturday.